Greetings, Jeff Johnston here for Rollin on TV. Joining us today is our associate Chris Heemer from RV Enthusiast Magazine.
Yep.
And Chris is an enthusiastic cook. Today we're here at the Adventure Van Expo in Hood River, Oregon. And the adventure vans are more or less Class B van camper motorhomes that are set up for off-road or backcountry or a lot of dry camping use. Mm-hmm. And that means they've got to take everything with them. Yep. And that means they're going to have some very interesting kitchen gadgets.
Yep, compact and useful. So sometimes they'll have several uses in one item. So a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah, so we're going to take a look around, and Chris is going to see if he can pick out some of the really interesting new devices, new arrangements for kitchens and so on. Mm-hmm. So let's go around and take a look.
Let's do it. Everybody likes coffee, and a lot of people like French presses, right? People that are coffee enthusiasts usually prefer a French press, right? So you have something kind of interesting here. It's looks like a rugged portable French press.
Exactly. That's a great description for our brew truck. And this is our most recent edition called the Overlander.
Okay.
This specific model. We have other French press models as well.
Mm-hmm.
But really this is a great all-purpose French press for both single serve as well as multi-serve. It comes about in 24-ounce container.
Mm-hmm.
And
you have a locking top there, don't you?
A locking top, so you can actually drink directly from it. And
oh,
make sure it's spill-proof as well.
Okay.
Or you can go ahead and just pour it into a mug.
Okay.
If you'd like.
And you got the plunger inside like a normal French press?
Exactly. I'll just show you real quick. This is just a standard French press, but we do have one added feature.
Yeah.
In our mechanism, we add a metal plate here called the brew stop, which basically after you press the French press unit down, the metal plate then rests and resides and basically creates a barrier to prevent any further brewing. So that we're not overbrewing and creating a bitter cup of coffee.
Right.
So, and it just keeps all the grounds out from floating into your coffee.
Right. And then there's a compartment under here too. What does that do?
Yes, good question. This compartment is very unique.
All right.
It is one of the only products out there in the French press market that has a removable bottom.
Oh, okay.
So, you tell me, usually we hear, we hate to clean a French press.
What do we do with the grounds?
That's right. But the grounds are in this little container after it's all pressed and after you're done drinking or pouring your coffee out. And you'll have a little fluid left in here, but you can slosh it around and just dump it out into your compost or into your garbage as normally. But this is one of the unique features of this specific model.
And what's that product called?
The Overlander.
The Overlander by Brew Trek.
That's right.
Okay. So now we're at the Storyteller Overland display, and with me now is Overland Jones.
That's right. We're so excited to be here. ROTV is here inside of our van. This is awesome. Chris, check this out. Look in that top drawer. You're going to be amazed at what this is, okay?
Okay.
Boom.
We have
freedom of functionality with an induction cooktop, okay? Now you can move your cooktop, your cooking surface, anywhere that you want to, anywhere inside the van.
Look, you're saying this is turned into a workbench from a bed.
Normally this is a bed, but I have the cushions taken off, and this is on the workbench side, so you just simply take it and you plug it in right over here, okay? And now you can use induction cooktop pans, or you can use cast iron pans, which I love cooking my steaks in.
Sure,
I like putting it over here. You have all this countertop space. My wife sits over there. She has a glass of wine. Again, she looks at me like she likes me, which is nice, right? That's incredible.
Yeah, we all like that.
And it's all done inside of a Storyteller.
Great. We're with Dwayne at Spencer Aircraft, and Dwayne, it looks like you got a kind of a unique take on a portable table.
Yeah,
what's that about?
This is our first year here. We sell a lot of lightweight foldable stuff that crosses over. This is our table. It can be adjusted from this level to this level down, anywhere in between. It holds up 300 pounds on the table.
Wow.
It's very strong. It folds up very small into this package right here. So it's lightweight, folds up small.
So these are like sections. There you go.
Yeah, just like an accordion.
Oh, all right.
You can use it for a barbecue or whatever, or it can go down to a coffee table for your cocktail hour and hors d'oeuvres.
How high does it go from
This
here?
is the highest it goes right here, so it goes up to, about
hip height,
3 feet or something like that.
So it's about right size for a
it's perfect for grilling.
for a stove.
It's right.
All the way down to how high would you say?
It goes from this level here.
Okay.
Anywhere in between you can.
So it really is like a coffee table height.
Yeah, anywhere in between you can go, so you don't have to stick to one level.
Great.
If the ground's on level, you can actually get one leg longer to keep it the table level also too.
So is this all aluminum, or is it aluminum?
Aluminum plastic, yeah.
Okay.
So, and we've been selling these for like probably 8 years now.
Oh, all right. And pretty lightweight. What would you say it weighs?
I think these are like 10 pounds total weight underneath.
So space inside of an RV, especially a camper or a van, is always at a premium when you have things like cooking utensils, spices, and that sort of thing. We came across Overland Gear Guy who has a few solutions to that.
We do. You know, we've been manufacturing for 30 years, all in the USA. Currently, we're in Salt Lake. Been there for since 2005.
Okay.
And stuff. But
what have we got here?
So we got some different ones. Some space is at a premium. So we've got some that are vertical, some that are horizontal shaped.
Okay.
We got some much larger ones down here, and we've done much smaller ones and stuff. So it's kind of based on what the customer's needs are and stuff. And
how do they typically mount?
A lot of them just hook on with carabiners like this. This one, I believe, this one has Velcro. So this is kind of like the campers with carpet in them. So this will just Velcro right to the.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, you know, and if they don't want to do that, they can carabine it with a clip.
And these are made of nylon?
Yep, Cordura, like a Cordura nylon or polyester.
Okay, so very strong.
Yep.
And this was your original product, you had said?
Yeah, exactly. So a guy says, hey, this is exactly the space I have on my Overland trailer. And he sent me all of his utensils. He says, see what you can do. So I made it. He loved it, and a couple other people asked for it, and then people's like, "Oh my goodness, that's just huge!" You know, we've got this.
Looks
small
like a whole
space.
lot of stuff.
So that's when we started coming up with the smaller ones.
And you've got, obviously, these are for these tall utensils.
Yep.
What have we got for here?
Just like the plastic, silverware, the napkins, the little ketchup packets, stuff like that. And then behind here, there's additional.
That's great. Where can people find your product?
So overlandgearguy.com, and all our social media platforms are the same. So
okay, great.
Find us there.
Thanks for the demo.
All right, thank you.
Nice talking to you. So there you have it, just a few of the cleverly engineered products for storage and cooking at the Adventure Van Expo. Right, Bones?
To learn more about any of the products you saw in this segment, log on to our website at rollinontv.com.